Let's step inside the factory to see how your daily toothpaste is created.
Only approved ingredients move to production.
Humectants, water, and thickeners combine to form the base of your toothpaste. It transforms the ingredients into a smooth, gel-like paste, ready for the next stage.
These products help to remove plaque.
This is fluoride, which gives toothpaste its cavity-fighting power.
Flavor oils are added to make your toothpaste refreshing and pleasant to use.
Colors are added to give each brand its signature look. Smooth white, cool blue, refreshing green, or even striped.
Sorbitol is added to give sweetness without harming your teeth. Mixers blend everything into a smooth, ready-to-use paste.
Empty tubes are loaded onto high-speed filling machines, ready to be packed with your daily toothpaste. Tubes are sealed instantly with heat, locking in freshness and keeping your toothpaste safe.
Each tube is printed with its brand name, ingredients, expiry date, and barcode.
Filled tubes are placed into individual boxes or multi-packs, ready for shipping. Conveyors move everything to packing stations, where cartons are sealed and stacked for delivery.
Forklifts load the pallets into trucks, preparing the toothpaste for its journey to stores around the world. The trucks leave the factory, delivering toothpaste to supermarkets and stores all around the world.